Hi. I find one of the problems with glasswork and mirrors is that people make cleaning them look far more difficult than it really needs to be. You don't need any fancy products, all you need is a couple of microfiber cloths, and often just one. So here goes. Job done. No chemical pollutants, no muss, no fuss. That's right. All you need on glass is a little water and a good cloth. Job done. You know, in my line of work, I see a lot of cleaning products for glass and mirrors and so on, and I watch people who make this job, this incredibly simple job, look really difficult. You do not need any fancy products, you do not need anything other than, well, let me show you just how easy this is. Water, microfiber cloth,